optical sensor LDR. LDR is short for light dependent resistor. It changes its resistance based on light around it. When LDR is placed in dark room, it will have a resistance of few mega ohms, which is very high resistance. As we gradually impose the light over the sensor, its resistance will start to decrease from mega ohms to few ohms. That is, in darkness, resistance is very high, and in brightness, resistance is very low. For this process, LDR has resistive tracks on its surface, and they are made up of cadmium sulfide material. The tracks are clearly visible through a transparent cover. The symbol of LDR is given in below diagrams. We can use any one of them. You can see these pictures. First picture is LDR sensor. Second picture is a basic structure of LDR in which resistive tracks and two metal film contacts are shown. Metal film contacts are nothing but the outside terminals used for connections in the circuit, and the symbol which is already seen. More clear LDR sensor can be seen here like this. This property of LDR helps it to be used as a light sensor. It can detect amount of light falling on its surface or falling on its resistive tracks, we can say, and thus can predict days and nights also. So, if you are looking for a sensor to sense light or to distinguish between days and nights, then this sensor is cheap and modest solution for you. LDR can be used with microcontrollers like PEEK, Arduinos, etc., or with operational amplifiers. Consider a simple diagram, like a potential divider, so that it can be adapted for most projects. Observe this diagram. There is one lamp at left side of the circuit whose light probably falls on LDR so that it can sense the light. LDR is in series with the resistor R1. R1 is connected to plus 5 volt, and a voltmeter is connected between junction of resistances and ground. This is how all circuit is set up. A constant voltage will be applied across both resistances, and output voltage will be measured from the lower resistor. Here lower resistor is LDR and the constant voltage is plus 5 volt. So let's see the working of this circuit. First of all, in this circuit arrangement, when LDR is in the darkness, it will have very high resistance, as we know, and most of the supply voltage then is dropped across the LDR. So the output signal will be high. In the bright light, resistance of LDR becomes low, and most of the supply voltage will drop across the resistor R1, and output voltage will be low. A DC voltmeter is used to monitor the voltage across LDR. If lamp is moved towards the resistor, the resistance value of LDR will decrease, and as a result voltage drop at output will also decrease. As we bring lamp far away from LDR, resistance will increase as well as voltage also increases. Observe the voltmeter output in this diagram as plus 4.95 because lamp is away from LDR, and you can observe this diagram where voltmeter output is plus 3.33, because you can see the lamp is somewhat closer to LDR. That is, near you bring the lamp, lower the voltage, and farther you bring the lamp, voltage value will increase. Okay, now how to use LDR as a sensor? We have seen LDR provides a variable voltage based on the light. Again, we can further give this voltage to microcontrollers or ADCs to convert the voltage from analog to digital, or we can use it with operational amplifier as a voltage comparator, or to trigger the specific outputs like LEDs, buzzer, etc. for a specific voltage from LDR. Now let's see what are the features for this amazing component. They are used to sense the light because they sense the light falling on its surface tracks, resistive tracks, and they are light dependent. So obviously they use to sense the light. Resistance and light are inversely proportional to each other. That is, increase in light will decrease in resistance, and decrease in light will increase the resistance. Again, they are easy to use with microcontrollers or with normal ICs too. Easy to use on breadboard. They are very small, cheap, and easily available. But the response time of 2 to 50 millisecond, which is very slow than phototransistors. Now, what are phototransistors? They are the devices used for light sensitive applications. And the response time is nothing but how fast a sensor changes its state and output in response to input. Here, the slow response time of LDR makes them unsuitable for data transmission applications. But we can use the LDRs in circuits such as flame detectors, etc. What are the applications of LDR? They are used in automatic street light, automatic headlight dimmer, position detectors or position sensors, used along with LED as an obstacle detector, automatic bedroom lights, automatic rear view mirror. So this is all about LDR, how they work, their features and applications. If you have any questions, feel free and ask your question in comment box so that I can reply. Thank you.